What's up, everybody? It is Chris from Equalize Designz back with another video today. In this video, I'm going to be doing this glitter ombre effect. It's going to be cool. Let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm adding my Mod Podge all over the tumbler so the glitter can adhere to it. I noticed in some videos people add like a thin coat of epoxy and then add their glitter. I like the Mod Podge method, or at least the tack it method, so I can at least save my epoxy to seal the tumbler. Alright guys, so for this tumbler effect, I'm using two different glitters. I'm using a little chunky purple glitter, and I'm using a fine pink glitter. One of my nieces really like those two colors, so I'm going to blend those two together and see how they come out. It's going to be cool. Alright guys, so basically what I'm doing now is making sure that my pink and my purple are blending together, not just having one on one side and one on the other side, but making sure that you can see the purple coming into the pink, and you can see some of the pink blending in with the purple. That in the middle that's where it needs to really blend in well. That's how you really get that good ombre effect. Alright guys, so after adding my glitter to the tumbler, what I did was I sprayed it 3 times with the Rust-Oleum spray clear coat, and that seals the glitter. And now I'm adding my first layer of epoxy. Okay guys, so when adding glitter to tumblers, you want to make sure you add 2 layers of epoxy. This way you make sure you're not sanding down into the glitter. Okay guys, now it's time to apply the decal to the tumblers, and what I did was I actually did a multi-layer decal for both tumblers. Comment down below if you want to see me do that in a tutorial. Okay, so after applying my decal, now I'm adding my final layer of epoxy to seal that decal. Now this epoxy I'm actually using is quick coat, so it's going to cure in about 4 to 6 hours. Alright guys, that was our video for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. And also comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Peace.